Prime Minister Narendra Modi has become the longest serving, continuous, democratically elected Prime Minister in the history of India. Since taking oath in May 2014, he has navigated India through global economic crisis and rapidly changing global world order. Let's take a look at this milestone. 12 years ago, a new Prime Minister-elect stood in the Central Hall of Parliament in New Delhi.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा.
He said he had not come to Delhi as a ruler, but as a Pradhan Sevak, a servant of the people.
मैं आपके बीच प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में नहीं, प्रधान सेवक के रूप में उपस्थित हूं.
Very few could have predicted just how long that journey would last. Back then, Barack Obama was in the White House. Britain was still part of European Union. COVID-19 did not exist. UPI did not exist. And India was the world's 10th largest economy. That was the India that Narendra Modi had inherited when he took office for the first time as Prime Minister. Three general election victories, one global pandemic, multiple global conflicts, and more than 4,000 days later, he is still the Prime Minister of India. And today, he became the longest continuously serving democratically elected Prime Minister in India's history.
इतने लंबे समय तक मां भारती की सेवा का सौभाग्य मिलना ये ईश्वर की विशेष कृपा से ही संभव हो सकता है. और मेरे लिए तो जनता जनार्दन ही ईश्वर का रूप है.
He will surpass a record set by Jawaharlal Nehru in independent India's early years. From May 26, 2014 to today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's tenure has reached 4,399 days. That's one day longer than Jawaharlal Nehru's tenure of 4,398 days, and over 300 days longer than Indira Gandhi's tenure of 4,777 days. But the story is not just about the number of days. It is also about two different eras of India. When Nehru was the Prime Minister of India, he governed a newly independent country of around 34 crore people. The institution of republic were still taking shape. The economy was small. The politics of independent India was relatively simple. The real challenge was nation building. But decades later, Prime Minister Modi's India is very different. Today's India is home to more than 146 crore people. It is a digital society, an ambiguous and a globally connected one, and world's most populous country. In many ways, Prime Minister Modi has governed during the age of constant challenges. Yet, through this, Modi has remained electorally relevant across generations.
हम देश के लिए मर नहीं पाए, लेकिन हम देश के लिए जरूर जी सकते हैं.
Prime Minister Modi's years in office have also coincided with a period of extraordinarily global turbulence. The COVID-19 pandemic, Russia-Ukraine war, global inflation, supply chain disruptions, AI boom. Yet, despite all these challenges, India has emerged as one of the world's fastest growing major economies. From being the world's 10th largest economy in 2014, India has risen to become one of the world's largest economic powers.
साथियों, आज देश रिफॉर्म एक्सप्रेस पर चल पड़ा है. इसका उद्देश्य देश में जीवन और कारोबार दोनों को आसान बनाने का
And that's not all under Prime Minister Modi. Perhaps the most striking transformation of India has been its rise on the global stage. Today, India has a seat at the table on technology, on trade, on security, on climate, and future of the global south. Under Prime Minister Modi, India has hosted global summits, expanded its diplomatic footprint, and built relationships across diverse power connections. India's voice now carries weight like never before. Here in India, Prime Minister Modi boasts a massive following. His supporters argue that his biggest contribution has been turning governance into mass participation exercise and really embodying the Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Prayas mantra. From Clean India to Digital India push, the government's focus under Narendra Modi has been driving by involving ordinary citizens in India's transformation. Symbolically too, while Jawaharlal Nehru represented the founding generation of India's republic and helped lay the foundation of modern India, Narendra Modi has come to represent an aspirational India, a far more confident India. Yes, these two leaders belong to different eras, face different challenges, but today their names will be linked by history. One set the record, the other has now surpassed it.